Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Samsung Pay on your Samsung smartphone for in-store purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Samsung Pay app on your Samsung device. If it's not installed, download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign into your Samsung account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 3. Read and accept the terms and conditions of Samsung Pay. Step 4. Set up your security method by creating a PIN, pattern, or registering your fingerprint or iris scan for secure transactions. Step 5. Tap on Add Card to begin adding your credit, debit, or gift card to Samsung Pay. Step 6. You can scan your card using your phone's camera or manually enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Step 7. Verify your card by receiving a verification code via SMS or email from your card issuer. Enter the code to complete the card setup. Step 8. Your Samsung Pay is now activated and ready to use. To make an in-store purchase, swipe up from the Home button, authenticate with your PIN or biometric, and hold your phone near the card reader to complete the transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.